brothers. Time for sleep. So this is a night routine with Tommy and Cooper. Let's go. Oh, I have to put him upstairs because he can't come by himself. Go to the room. I'm going to bring Cooper, okay? Dutch and Bandit. Sima. Okay, let's go to the room. Let's go. Time to sleep. This is a night routine with us. Tommy's drinking some water. Come on, baby. Cooper. Okay. Time to clean your ear, okay? Oh, mi papi. Time to sleep. Okay. Time to clean your ear. So at night, I clean Thomas' ear. He doesn't want it, but he has to. Tommy, time to clean your ear. He doesn't want it. Come on. I clean his ear because recently he had an itch on his ear, so now I have to take care of it. Okay, time to sleep. Come on, time to sleep. Come on. Okay. ¡Mis niños! Good night. Good night, Cupito. Love you.